Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can set goals and see how WiserNotify has helped you convert your customers. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Go to WiserNotify dashboard and on the left side under reports you will find goal option. Before moving ahead with creating a goal, let's understand why you need this. You must be using Google Analytics or any other analytical service to track your conversions. Google Analytics has a goal option too, where you can track your conversions. Similarly, we have goal options to help you track your conversions using WiserNotify. Goal setting is used to track conversions once you have installed the pixel on your website. It can be used to see how your site is performing after adding social proof to it. I hope the use of goal setting is clear now. Now let's see how you can set it. Click on Add Goal to add a new goal. Here, the first option is to set name. You can set goal name here. In second option, you can select whether you want to track conversions using exact URL or using all the URL containing specific keyword. Let's say you want to select exact URL. It can be anything like a thank you page, contact us page, or any other page you use to get conversions. And you want to track conversions from those pages. We'll take contact page for example. Simply add the contact page URL here and click on create a goal button. So whenever any user visits contact page after engaging with WiserNotify notifications, it will be tracked. Now let's take the second example. That is URL containing a keyword. Here you will have to enter the website domain. Let's say we write WiserNotify for example. Now I want to track conversions from all URLs containing contact keyword. So I will enter the keyword contact in this text box. Once you add this, click on create a goal. Once you create a goal, you can track your performance here. Since we just created these goals, there are no performance reports. But for better understanding, I will show you the reports of goals I have already created before. As you can see here, in the last 30 days, 4,503 people visited your website, and out of them, 144 people have visited the goal page. You can also check the number of impressions, hover, and click it took to achieve this goal. Here is the conversion rate for the same, that is 3.20% in our case. So that's how you can set goals and track conversions on your website. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or email us at support@wisernotify.com.